All right, guys, for a limited time only, this book, which is a bundle, is free on Amazon on Kindle. So just go to the site, link in description, and download it. Now, this is a compilation of two different books that I've done that have been pretty popular. The first one is NIST 800 Foundations, and the other one is Risk Management Framework, ISO for controls. One's gonna walk you through the NIST 837. The other one's gonna walk you through the NIST 853, and it's written in layman's terms so that you can really absorb the information. But for a limited time, this is especially for people who review my books. I've actually got a whole bunch of other books coming out within the next few months. I'll be releasing other books, and so what I look for is people who do give me reviews, and I reach back to those people and I say, hey guys, here's a free book. I know you guys reviewed my last book. Here it is. So I've got other ones coming out really soon. These are actually a compilation of some books I wrote like a year ago, but here they are right here. It's free right now. I'm looking for some reviews. Those really help me out, go really a long way. So thank you so much in advance for your reviews. Thank you for downloading the book, and I'll see you guys on the next one. More free stuff to come, including audio books, courses, you name it. That's what I'm usually working on. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one.